Hello everybody, this is your nutrition in 90 seconds. So briefly today I want to talk about what I think is like the top thing that hinders people from leading a healthier lifestyle. And you want to know what that is? Very simple. It's just the willingness to change. That person's willingness to change, or their, do they want to change, just making a change. I thought about the other day, I used to work in a health facility, community health center, and I used to talk to patients, hypertensive, diabetes. I used to have classes that I taught, right? And I remember the main thing I noticed that was consistent is people not wanting to change, just the willingness to change their eating habits. We in the South, so it's a certain way we eat. Y'all know it's a certain way we eat, certain way you do your vegetables, certain kind of meat you put in your vegetables, whatever that may be. And if I'm talking to a room of 55 to 60-year-olds, right? And I'm coming in saying, hey, well, maybe you can try this in your greens instead of this. Maybe you can try this seasoning instead of this. Maybe you can try this instead of those sausages or something, an alternative. The thing is, like, if you've been doing this 55 years, that's hard for somebody, come to you saying you need to change. And it's not that it can't be done, but the thing is, we have to almost untrain ourselves. You know what I'm saying? When it comes down to eating. So your willingness to even change, that's a big issue. Like, okay, you telling me I may need to make this change, and I've been doing this 50 years. That's hard for a whole lot of people. So if we can retrain our mind to think, of how we prepare foods, how we cook foods, the traditions. I mean, we grow up a certain way. Hey, we traditionally eat this, we traditionally eat this. And, that's how it's like, this is what we do. But if you have to make a change for your health, if it's between life and death, would you make that change? You know what I'm saying? Is it worth it? So you have to see the worth in what you're doing. It's not just about, somebody just wants you to do this. No, is it worth it for you? Are you willing to make a change? That's all it is, and that's all I preach. Small steps equals big change. Taking that first step. What change can I make and be consistent with? Small steps. Very practical, very simple. So I just want to share that today, your willingness. Think about it. If you need help right now, if it's something, a goal that you have, what are you willing to do to make that happen? Are you willing to do the extra work? Are you willing to make a change in how you cook? Are you willing to not do fast food? Maybe that's what you have to do. Maybe that's what it is for you. You know what that thing is. Are you willing to cook more? If that's going to hinder you, maybe that's something. Cook more. Whatever that is, you know what it is for you. So we just want to do better. But make sure you do visit www.stepsforchange.net for more information, recipes, and ideas. But also I have the You Are What You Eat coming up again December the 12th at 3 o'clock. So you can register at my website, and I'll be doing that again. I'd love to see you on that, just to let you discuss with me, but also start you on the path to healthier lifestyle. See ya.